Do you snore? Or sleep next to someone who does? You might want to listen closely. It could be a sign of something deadly. You won't believe this. That annoying snore might actually be your brain fighting to keep you alive. Is it dangerous? Absolutely. Before we dive into what's really happening while you sleep, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss bizarre facts about the human body. That snoring could be sleep apnea, a condition where your breathing stops repeatedly while you sleep. Your brain jolts you awake just enough to breathe, but that means poor sleep and high stress on your body. Left untreated, it can raise your blood pressure, damage blood vessels, and even increase your risk of heart disease, diabetes, and early death. Get it checked. Your snore might be saying more than you think.